Asuntoskeittiö Tervakosken Kivimäki.
It is also very nice today. On the 11th of April 2025 we have Kivimiehentie 11 in Tervakoski, Finland.
Janakkala.
Or Janakkala. I would just like to change this one. Finland.
Yeah.
Along those version also. But the cover is best. That's the 12 floors built in 1989. And the symbol is, that light is nice too.
Yeah.
The symbol is 6. All the way to the original. Two lights here. It's very fresh stuff. Even though the door is open in the daytime.
Yeah.
Well, it's very fresh here.
Yeah. It's built by Kivimiehentie and maintained by Kone.
I like the sounds and smell here.
Same. That's